Google has come a long way since the days of Nexus smartphones. This is only the second iteration of the Google Pixel, and it shows how much Google's software and hardware have evolved in the past year. Both Pixel smartphones got a refined, yet simpler appearance. This review is specifically for the larger Pixel 2 XL. We'll be reviewing the smaller Pixel 2 separately. The Google Pixel 2 XL is equipped with a 6-inch QHD+ P-OLED display with 18:9 aspect ratio. This display is protected by a 3D layer of Gorilla Glass 5, which is tapered all the way around and protrudes past the phone's frame. This is certainly an attractive design choice by Google. The Pixel 2 XL's P-OLED panel offers a resolution of 1440x2880 pixels. These specs work out to 538 pi, perfectly sharp even when subjected to extreme pixel peeping scrutiny, and offer plenty of details to use with the Daydream VR headset. The phone offers a display size setting that adjusts the UI scaling with a separate setting for font size. Google has went with the industry standard for premium smartphones of 2017, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 chipset with 4GB of RAM. The chipset is an Octa-core CPU with two 4-core Kryo clusters. The first, more powerful cluster is clocked at 2.35 GHz, while the other, more efficient cluster is clocked at 1.9 GHz. Google Photos is the default application for video playback. It doesn't offer extra features like subtitles or a pop-out player. There's only a single option: to loop the video that's currently playing. The Google Photos video player is quite basic, but you can find a variety of other video apps in the Play Store. Google's in-house music service has its own app. This app is the default music player for Android, and even lets you organize and store MP3s on the phone's internal storage. From the Play Music app, you can sort, search, and listen to your offline MP3s. Google Photos offers plenty of photo features and a free photo and video backup service. While you can upload as many videos or pictures as you'd like, they'll be limited to 16MP or 1080p resolution for photos and videos, respectively. You can search for photos or videos by person, keyword, date, or location. 12.2 MP camera with HDR+. The Google Pixel 2 XL's camera has a couple of hardware upgrades that improve its performance over the first generation, while keeping the same resolution sensor. For starters, the aperture has received a bump to f1.8 from last year's f2.0. In addition, the Pixel 2 XL's camera now has optical image stabilization, in addition to electronic image stabilization, which calls for a protruding camera ring. Neither Google Pixel 2 offers manual controls for the camera, which might not appeal to a certain type of photographer. Even though you don't have control over the shutter speed or ISO individually, you can still slide an exposure meter to raise or lower the scene's exposure. Tap the scene to focus on your subject, and slide accordingly. Between the Galaxy Note 8's high starting price and Apple's iPhone X starting at exactly $999, brands are relying on higher price margins to meet or exceed their profit goals. How much more expensive will phones get next year? Will costs plateau, or will we start to see a steady decline in overall smartphone sales over the next few years?